So there are many different positions within the recruiting and retention battalion. Marketing, however, is its own world. It's its own universe. I sat in here into this position and learned that there's so many things that we have our hands in, and that's in regards to our relationship with the recruiters, our relationship with public affairs office, our relationship with NGB, developing relationships with civilian vendors. It's always going back and forth, back and forth. We have a relationship with USPFO. Those are our finance individuals. They're the ones that give us the blessing on certain purchases or not. So it's constantly a juggle act. It's constantly developing relationships, nurturing those relationships so you can do your job more effectively, so you can support the recruiting mission while still falling in line with federal government laws and protocols. Most states are on what's called a GPO contract, government print office, and they're kind of like the middleman that get the 3 bids for us. So we submit the according paperwork to them. We submit visuals of what we're looking for, descriptions of what we want, and GPO bids those out. They get 3, and then most of the time they're picking the lowest bidder based on past history, based on price, based on quality. That way our recruiters get good quality items at a quick rate. One of the things that I love being about a market NCO is that we have such a great relationship with other market NCOs throughout the country. Within our own state, we have to be subject matter experts in marketing. However, we are broken down into 7 different regions, and our regions get to meet once a year. And as a nation, we all come together once a year. So roughly about every 6 months, we are coordinating with each other. We are meeting, we're talking about what works well, what hasn't worked well. We're talking about what the outlook for the future might look like, and just different things that not only help marketing, but help the field and the recruiters in those fields.